A few weeks ago I noticed some activity on this spoil bank. It's a little berm, maybe it goes up maybe 3 feet, a mound of dirt, and it's the result of some drainage work the parish did about 20 years ago. They cleaned out the coulee that's back in there, and they dumped the spoil here. So this is fairly soft, workable dirt, and the armadillos, I call it the armadillo mound because they've been in here for years now, and they dig. There's a hole right there. There's a hole covered by a rat's nest right there. There's an active hole right there. It looks like they've been here in the last 24 hours. And that's what I saw the activity on. So I put a camera on it, and I got several things happening at once. I got the armadillo coming and going from the hole, and then I got the babies coming out, and I just smiled the whole time I was watching it. It was pretty cool. And then the rat kept going down in there and getting sticks and then come across here. So I was seeing that on the camera, but I didn't know where the rat was going. And then when I came back to check the camera, there's this pile of sticks right here. It's that rat's just been piling things up. So I've got quite a few of these individual sticks with him carrying them, and some of them are pretty big sticks. There's one stick here that's at least 2 feet long, and there's another stick here that's a 1.5 feet long. There's a half a log right there, and so that rat has been running in front of the camera carrying the sticks to kind of build its rat's nest here in one of the old armadillo holes. So I just wanted to give you the setup. Anyway, so this is about 3 feet above the normal ground, and high and dry, and just a great place for the armadillos to hang out. And like I say, they've been making a good living right here on this mound for quite a few years now. So I'll put some data together, and I hope you enjoy it.